You can also add in different elements inside of your Prezi design project. So to do that, on the left side, you can click on add element, and over here you can see that there are different elements that you can access out. So let's say, for example, if I were to go for timeline right here, if I were to type that in, you can see different timelines even pop up right here. So these are different elements, and you can go around, click on one of the elements right here, and here you can see you can access out that particular element over here. So this is a timeline element. So in order to simply insert this, you can click on insert, and it is inserted right here, as you can see. So these are already a bunch of different shape collections, as you can see. So you can go around over here, ungroup this out as well, and then arrange this out according to how you like it. As you can see, you can double click and replace out the contents over here and edit out the text according to how you like it right here, like bottom line, like top line, bulleted point, and so forth. Then you can also select out the shape and then correct, change out the settings according to how you want and get the look you want. Let's say, for example, fill, you want to change the color, then this is what you have, as you can see. Similarly, if you were to go around into elements, there are more elements like notes, as you can see right here. You can bring in notes right here and edit it out according to how you want. There's image blocks, as you can see right here as well. You can click on insert, and this is an image block that you have. Then you can click here to change this out according to how you like as well. There's callouts right here as well, as you can see, but these are premium, as you can see, so you cannot use it with a free account. There's different things like icon blocks right here as well, so you can go around and simply click them out, and they will be inserted out over here. So there's flowcharts as well. So depending on what you want, there's diagrams, there's galleries, as you can see right here. So you can choose out the ones you like. There's list as well, different type of list that you can bring in, and there are plans as well. So depending on what you want, you can click, insert them out, and double click this out to edit it out according to how you like it. So that is how you can add in elements to your designs inside of a Prezi design project. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.